Hi, I'm Julie from Indigo Handmade Design, and today I'll show you how to crochet this cute sunglasses case in less than 30 minutes so your sunglasses stay protected and you never lose them in your bag again. Let's get started. For my today's project, I'm going to use a medium weight yarn, a 4mm crochet hook. You're going to need beads of your choice, sewing thread and sewing needle to match the beads and to match the yarn, pair of scissors and yarn needle to weave in the loose ends. To get started, go ahead and make a magic ring, pull up a loop and chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet, and into the magic ring you are going to make 10 double crochets. At the end of the first round you are going to have a total of 11 stitches. Close your magic ring and slip stitch to your third chain to close your first round. For round 2, chain up 3. This is your first double crochet. Into the same stitch make another double crochet, and now into each of your stitches you are going to make 2 double crochets, so we are increasing into each and every stitch. At the end of round 2 you are going to have a total of 22 double crochets. Slip stitch to your third chain from the beginning. For round 3, start off with a chain of 3, your first double crochet, and into the next stitch make 1 double crochet increase. So this is going to be your pattern repeat all the way around. 1 double crochet and 1 increase. At the end of round 3 you are going to have a total of 33 double crochets. Round 4, go ahead and chain 3, your first double crochet, 1 increase into the next stitch, and now starts your pattern repeat. You are going to make 2 double crochets and 1 increase. At the end of round 4 you are going to have a total of 44 double crochets, and you are also going to end with 1 increase and then 1 double crochet. Round 5, chain up 3, your first double crochet, 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches and 1 increase in the next one. So your pattern repeat, it's going to be 3 double crochets standing by their own and then 1 increase. Repeat all the way around. At the end of round 5 you are going to have a total of 55 double crochets. Round 6, start off with a chain of 3, your first double crochet, make 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 1 increase into the next one. And now starts your pattern repeat, 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches and 1 increase into the 5th one. So your pattern repeat, 4 double crochets, 1 increase, and you are going to end this round with 1 increase and 2 double crochets to complete your pattern. Now take your sunglasses and lay them like so onto your crochet piece and fold this in half and see if your circle is large enough to cover your sunglasses. So for me this is enough. Now the very last round, it's going to be chain 1 and slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch. So repeat this, chain 1, slip stitch all the way around. At the end of the round you are going to slip stitch to your first stitch, and now you are going to make a long chain, which in my case it is 25 chains. And now go back to the same stitch and make 1 slip stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn. Leave some tail for the weave in. And now take your yarn again, make a slip knot, and then chain 7, starting into the second chain, make 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet into each chain across. You should have a total of 6 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn your work. Starting into the very first stitch, make 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet into each stitch. So you should have again 6 single crochets in total. And now you want to chain 1, fasten off and leave tail for the sewing. And now open your circle and place your sunglasses like so, so that you can see where you want to sew this crochet piece. This is going to be like a strap for the sunglasses, otherwise they are going to fall out of your sunglasses pocket. So take your yarn needle. This is the wrong side of your work, by the way. So thread your yarn needle with your tail. And I'm going to place my strap this way, and I'm going to sew down here on the side, and then I'm going to go on the other side and also sew this side down. Okay, so this is how my work is looking like so far, and this is how I'm going to secure my sunglasses on the inside. And now we are going to create a chain to be able to close our sunglasses holder. To be able to close our sunglasses holder down, take your yarn again, your crochet hook, make a slip knot, and we are going to make first a chain right here in the middle of your magic ring. You are going to attach your yarn with a slip stitch and then chain 18. Now you can cut your yarn and pull through. And now we are going to make another chain. So take again your yarn, make a slip knot, and we are going to attach on this side into the middle. I'm just going to eyeball this, attach with a slip stitch, and then you want to chain 32, and then again you can cut your yarn and pull through, and this is how you are going to secure your sunglasses. So you are going to put your sunglasses down here, and to close this down you are going to use your chain you just made and secure this in place. Now go ahead and weave in the loose ends. You can also put a bead at the end of your chain. Now let me show you how I'm putting my bead on. So I'm using this very thin crochet hook, and I'm going to go first through the bead, and I'm going to grab now my yarn tail and pull this through the bead and bring the bead down, and then I'm going to make 2 knots, one on top of each other. So bring the knot down to your bead, so this is the first knot, and now I'm going to make another one and bring this down on top of my first knot that I've made. And now you can trim this down, and your bead is now nicely secured. Now using your yarn needle, you are just going to weave your starting tail in on the wrong side of your work. So now you can, and we are also going to create a loop right here for more security. So you want to make sure that you are joining your yarn at the same spot but on this side. So join with a slip stitch and then chain 5 and then slip stitch the next stitch, chain 1, fasten off, and then weave in the loose ends. Now it's time to sew the beads on. So for this I've already threaded my sewing needle with sewing thread, and I'm going to secure this first on the wrong side of my work. I've tied a knot, and now I'm going to come out here on the right side of my work and take a bead, bring this down, and then go back in, and then I'm going to go to my next double crochet and bring the needle out on the right side of my work, and I'm going to take a bead again, bring this down, and I'm going to go in with my needle into the next double crochet, and then I'm coming out again into the same double crochet, take a bead, bring this down, and then go to the next double crochet and go in with your and I'm going to do this all the way around. And voila, that's it, all done. This way you are never going to lose your sunglasses again. Thank you all for watching and for joining me today yet for another tutorial. Happy crocheting, until next time, bye.